Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this black and white dotted wristlet. I kind of came up with the idea to match the black and white beaded shoes that I did. When you look at this, it's almost like an optical illusion because I guess you have to really stare at it to see the black dots, but I really like this the more that I look at it. It's pretty simple to make, so if this is something that you think you want to add to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used E600 glue, a measuring tape, a black wristlet, and a hot fix tool. I also used Swarovski crystal decals. I used the bottom ones, which are these black dots. I got them on sale from Michael's. And then I used white halfback beads in all different sizes, and I'll put the exact sizes I used in the description box. Step 1 is to create the pattern using the measuring tape.
All I do is adore you all of the time.
I made the first mark to see how far down on the bag I wanted to go with the tape, and now that I've made it, I have placed the measuring tape horizontally, and now I'm going to go back over and make marks to place the actual decals. If you don't want to make the marks, you could just actually use the hot fix tool and place them since the tape is pretty secure. Either way works.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you.
This is what the bag looks like now that the first 2 rows of dots have been added. I wanted to just point out a couple of things. First of all, for this second dot, I did mess up on the measurement, so I went back and corrected it. And I didn't put these decals on, I didn't press down too hard because I wanted to be able to maneuver them. For instance, this one probably needs to be moved up a little bit. But now that you have an idea of how you can easily set a pattern using the measuring tape, you can work it how you want to work it. I'm going to go through and add the rest of the decals and show you what that looks like.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
This is what the bag looks like. I've added the dots. I have secured them with the hot fix tool. Now it's time to add the beads.
I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you,
Come true.
This is the progress so far. Ideally, you don't want to have this much glue, you know, just hanging out outside of your design. But I was trying to really circle the black dots, so that's why some of that's left over, and I'll be able to cover it. The idea is that you don't want to leave all this glue because you don't want your beading to be uneven, but that's fine. I went around the border, and then I went around the border of each of the black dots. Now I'm gonna fill in the spaces with the beading and show you the progress. This is the progress so far. I'm going to finish up and show you the final result. As a reminder, this is what the wristlet looks like plain. This is the side that I have not designed yet. This is the final result. I like how it turns out, but I kind of wish I had painted, and I left this little piece so you could see, painted the leather white because I feel like the dots would have popped a little bit more. But overall, I'm happy with this. And then I am going to do the other side in a different design, which I'll show in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.